Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to create a news headline on your website. Okay, step by step guide how to create a news headline on your website. Okay, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so when I said a news headline like this one here, like this, we see it is scrolling. You can see it is scrolling. So I'm going to show you how to create this news headline on your website. Okay, so that is why you need to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, then subscribe to my channel. Most important, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me go to my screen now to show you how to create a news headline on your website. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back again. Like I said, I'll show you how to create a news headline on your website like this one showing here now. Okay, now you have a website but you don't know how to do that. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, for you to get this thing done here, for you to get this thing that is scrolling here, okay, there is something I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you one plugin, okay, you can install and customize. Okay, then you get this scrolling over here. All right, kindly come over to plugins here, then click on add new plugin. Click on add new plugin. All right, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Most important, smash on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. All right, so when you are here, kindly click here to search T4B news. Okay, search for it. You see it here. So I have it here already. It is active, but assuming you don't have it on your own, you will see something like this, install now. So you click on install now, then after the installation, this now will turn to activate. So you click on activate. All right, so when you activate this plugin, kindly come over to settings, hover on settings, then go to ticker settings. Click on ticker settings. All right, that is where you're going to set this plugin up. All right, so here, in case this thing is not enabled, mark if you want to show new sticker. Yes, mark it. All right, so if this thing is not enabled, kindly enable it. Okay, then here, show in homepage only. Select if you want to show the new sticker only in homepage. For example, you have a static page on your website and you want to show this new sticker on your homepage only, so you select this. But if you don't want to show this only on the homepage, don't enable this so that it will show on all pages and all posts. All right, then here that says popular post, okay, you can change it. You can rename it to news headline. All right, you can rename it to news headline. Okay, then ticker animation type, you can select fade, slide, ticker, or scroll, but the scroll is this one that's scrolling here, that is scroll. All right, then this is the speed of scrolling. If you increase this speed now, it will also increase the speed of this scrolling here, of this thing scrolling here. All right, then new sticker type, category, styles, custom text. Okay, if you want to show custom text, you click this one, then enter your custom text. So this custom text now will be displaying here. Okay, but if you choose category, it will be displaying all the categories. All right, all the categories you have in your website. Okay, it will be displaying them right here. Okay, and if you choose tags, it will be displaying all the tags you have. All right, it says select tags name separated by comma. Okay, then you select any tag from here, the tag you have on your website, you select them. All right, but mine is on categories. Then new sticker categories, this business is this thing now is displaying on business category. All right, then you can change it to, you can choose another category here. All right, and select. Then that is the new sticker category. Select the category where you want to show the new sticker. All right, number of posts to show, default -1 means show all, so it will show all posts on that particular category. All right, select post order, ascending or descending. All right, so if you choose ascending, it will be ascending the post, okay, not descending. All right, so after that you click on save changes. Okay, when you click on save changes, then scroll down here, you see a short code. You copy this short code. All right, copy this short code. Okay, now come over to pages. Come over to pages if you want to show it on pages, but by default it will be showing on this on all my pages and posts. All right, but I want to show you how to paste the short code so that you see it scrolling. Okay, so I will open pages right here. I'll click on open link in new tab to open the page in new tab. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, most important, smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Right, okay, so here I'll enter a title, just a dummy title. All right, news headline. Okay, now I can paste it here, or I select a short code here, search for short code. Okay, then I'll paste it here. After that I'll now publish. Okay, so I'm going to preview it now to see how it is. So I'll preview it in a new tab. It's loading right now. Can you see it here? This is it, guys. It's scrolling here. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create a news headline on your website. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, most important, smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you have any question, go to the comment section and leave your question there. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.